Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix low volume problem on your Samsung Galaxy M12. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume in the settings. So for this phone, you can adjust the call volume only while being in an active call. So it's either Messenger, either WhatsApp, either phone, it doesn't matter, you just need to be in a call. Now go over to the settings to adjust the media volume, go to sounds and vibration and then select the volume right here. Now here you have the media, you guys can change it. I have it maxed out all the way to the right. This is a good way of finding out if you have a low volume problem. Now what you guys want to do is check for the do not disturb. So go over to the notifications on the main page. Now click on do not disturb and make sure that it is disabled. Now, there was a glitch in an older version of the software where if you enabled the do not disturb mode, it will significantly lower your low volume, so it will be low. Now, if you disable it and see that it makes no difference, you can turn it back on, but for the time of testing, keep it off. Now, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill, and we have one right here. So this is our speaker grill. We can easily clean it with a soft brush for an example. And after cleaning it, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So scroll a bit down until you guys see software update. Now click on download and install right up top and it will check for updates automatically. So my software version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software because older versions contain a lot more glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.